In this video, I'm going to share with you something that ATM business can provide you and do for you that has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with money. Stick around and watch this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Why do you want passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Different for each person. Some people want to quit their 9-to-5. Some people want to supplement their retirement, or this is their retirement. Some folks want to put out less capital to make decent returns. Some people want to finally put their money to work for them. Some people want to build a legacy for their family, create, just wealth for children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, you know what I mean? So it's different for everybody, and you might check off multiple boxes, right? If you'd like me to help you start and grow a profitable ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link in the description. I need you to do me a favor. Like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Like this video. Also, click that little ATM right there, or it might be there. I don't know where it's at, but click the little ATM, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, and select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know. So what is it that the ATM business can do for you that has nothing to do with money? I'll be right back, and I'm going to show you. So oh, look at that. Look at that. I got raccoon eyes, and I got this thing up here. This is from playing pickleball. I wear a headband and sunglasses. Ridiculous. I got a farmer's tan on my forehead and my eyes. Anyways, for a few months now, I've been doing something that the ATM business allows me to do. It has nothing to do with money. I've been actually volunteering for an organization called Cheer down here in southern Delaware, Sussex County. And what Cheer does is they provide hot meals and sometimes frozen meals and milk and, things like that, just nutrition to, it's mostly elderly folks. A lot of times it's low income, but sometimes folks can pay to get the meals, and it's dirt cheap. It's like $2 a meal. And the food, sometimes it looks really, really awesome. So anyways, I've been volunteering to deliver for Cheer. Of course, volunteer means you don't get paid. And I do it at least once a week. At least. Sometimes they'll ask me to fill in. And so I'll fill in. And Kathy, my wife, has been doing it for, I think, going on 2 years. At least a year. I just started because I was supposed to do it when she started doing it. But then I broke my ankle. And then just things got crazy. And I finally just followed up with them. But it is one of the most rewarding things that I do every week. Like the people that I deliver food to are just so thankful and so appreciative. And every one of them brings a smile to my face. Of course, I have some that are my favorites. I'm not going to put that out on YouTube though. But it's just it's so rewarding, and it has nothing to do with money. So I get a list every time I come to do this with the people's name, right? And, what they get, so I have 2 diabetic folks on my route and then 8 regular. So it's not a lot. It takes about an hour a week, and that's just for the route. And then I'll show you real quick because I'm actually going to deliver it to somebody. I just delivered to my favorite guy, but now I'm going to show you. So what it looks like is this. You get a bunch of bags, right? These for the diabetic folks. And then you get bags like regular bags, and they have like rolls and sometimes salad dressing and salad in them, and then you get a bunch of hot meals, right? So I get 10. I'm down to 4 right now, so I've already delivered 6. But you get a bunch of hot meals, and then you just deliver it to folks from the list. So it's real simple, real easy. It doesn't take much time, and it's super fulfilling. You know what I mean? Like heart-wise, like in your heart, you know what I mean? Like it makes me super excited and happy to do it. And it has nothing to do with money. And I know you're thinking, well, Carey, you need to be making money from your ATM business to be able to, do stuff, volunteer for free. And you know what? That's probably true, right? So my route's at 10:30. You do it all at 10:30 in the morning, right? So yeah, you know, it would be probably different if I first started my ATM business. Because when I first started my ATM business, I had a job. I started my ATM business. I was doing real estate on the side, right? So I didn't have a lot of time then, right? But after you build up your business and maybe you get rid of like your job or whatever, right? And you just have that money coming in, that passive income. That's why it's so important to have passive income coming in. When you get that money coming in and you don't have to worry about making money, like going out and trading your time for money, right? It's like, it's horrible to do that, right? Time is infinitely, always more valuable than money. Always. Time is always more valuable than money because we don't get time back. We can always get money, right? So when you get to the point where you don't have to trade time for money, right, and you just have money coming in, like with ATMs and passive income, then it frees up your time to do whatever you want, right? And obviously from this, I play a lot of pickleball. But then I do things like this, where I volunteer with Cheer to deliver, you know, hot meals to the elderly. There's also another organization down here that we're in June, we're gonna start training with. It's called MERR, MERR, and I forget what it stands for, but it's about marine animals. Like was it last week or the week before, we were babysitting a baby seal who was up on the beach, which was really cool. And then we also volunteer for the Rehoboth Beach Fire Department, right? I'm not a fire person. I'm never going into a burning building. That's not what I do. That's not what I'm about. But it's the auxiliary, like where we raise funds for them and, you know, fundraising and that kind of stuff. So anyways, this is one of the things that you can do. Like if you want to volunteer more for your church or whatever, or animals, right? And that's another thing. One of the people on my route that I deliver food to, when I went to her property, tons and tons of cats outside with a couple baby kittens, right? And so I finally got permission from the family to trap all the cats, get them spayed and neutered, and return them, and then the friendly ones get them adopted out. So that's another thing that I'm doing. And I told them, like, the only way I know that I could probably get them to do it was to do it for free. Tell them it was free. And it's, you know, it's going to be free for them. It's probably not going to end up being free for me, but it's going to be free for them. But it's just stuff like that the passive income from your ATM business frees up so much for you to be able to do in your life. So again, it's not always about money. Yes, you know, you have to have that passive income coming in, but once you have enough coming in that you can now make so many choices and decisions in your life that you don't have to trade time for money, right? Like I can deliver this food, you know, to all these people, take an hour out of my day and not worry about saying, hey, how much are you going to pay me to do this? Because they're not going to pay anything to do this, right? And I could say to this woman, hey, I'll trap all your 19 cats and get them fixed for you. No big deal. And bring them back. And not worry about me thinking to myself, okay, you know, how much am I going to charge you? How much are you going to pay me to do this? I'm not going to charge her anything to do it. You know, I'm just going to do it. Do you get what I'm saying? Like that's what the passive income from ATMs can do for you. So give me 1 second. I'll be back to end this video. Hang on 1 sec. All right, Carey here again. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I finished delivering the food, and I talked to the caretaker for the last lady that I delivered food to, and we were talking about the cats and trapping the cats and all that good stuff. And then I went straight to play pickleball. Anyways, so listen, there's all kinds of stuff like when you have passive income coming in from your ATMs, it frees up your time to do things that aren't even associated with money, right? So whatever, like you want to volunteer with your church or animal shelter or whatever you want to do, you get so much more free time to be able to do that, right? So again, if you would like to learn how to start your own ATM business and you'd like me to help you, go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, just click on the link below in the description. Don't forget to like this channel. Don't forget to click on the ATM, either if it's there or there, I don't know, but click on it, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell, and select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. And if you have any questions, you know, post them below, or if you have ideas for future videos, post them below. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.